Hi, I'm Jessie. I'm here at Soul Sanctuary Blessings for a 60-minute fertility blessing. I'm just so excited. I don't know what to expect, but the energy is wonderful.
Did you want to add something? Yeah?
Yeah, I did see a baby in a womb, a very clear picture, and then also a mother snake circling eggs.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, so after the healing, I'm feeling really calm and at peace. There was this amazing warmth, as if there was a heater placed on my womb. That just makes me feel love overall, I think.
Good.
Yeah, beautiful experience.
Good. Did you get any visions or?
A lot of visions. A
Good.
lot.
Okay. Anything you want to share? You don't have to, but.
I saw some animals, like a jackrabbit and a peacock, that I believe I will be trying to work with. Try to look into maybe Googling what those mean. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
And you'll give us a follow-up?
Absolutely.
Great, thank you.
Yes.